In Islam, Allah provides us with guidance, but also warnings to help us stay on the right path. For both men and women, these warnings are meant to protect us from harm. Today we'll focus on 5 strong warnings for women from Allah. Warning 1. Neglecting obligations. One of the most fundamental warnings is never to neglect your obligations to Allah, like salah and modesty. The Qur'an reminds us that true believers guard their modesty and remain consistent in prayer. Warning 2. Avoid gossip and slander. Islam strongly warns against slander and gossip. The Prophet, peace be upon him, compared it to eating the flesh of your dead brother. Gossip can tear apart communities and harm relationships. Warning 3. Jealousy and envy. Envy can destroy your inner peace. Allah warns against wishing for what others have. Instead, be content and grateful for what Allah has provided you. Warning 4. Disobedience to husbands. Islam stresses harmony in the household. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned women against deliberately disobeying their husbands without reason, reminding us that obedience within the limits of Islam brings reward. Warning 5. Neglecting parental responsibilities. Mothers play a vital role in raising the next generation. Allah warns us to protect our families from the hellfire by instilling faith and guidance in our children. These warnings from Allah are not meant to punish, but to guide us toward a better life in this world and the hereafter. May we take heed of these reminders and stay on the path of righteousness.